Hello students, Miss Warzeka here. This week we are going to learn how to search in Google for an image, save it to our Chromebook, and then by Friday be able to attach a photo or an image that you've saved in an email. Super exciting. So today we're going to start with being able to Google search and find an image. So in your head right now, I want you to think about an animal or a creature that you like. And keep that thought in your head so that when you search in Google, you are able to find that animal. So today we're going to go and open your Google Chrome so that you are in a Google search. There's two spots you can type in. You can type right here in this little bar or up here at the top. It doesn't matter. They both will search. So I am going to choose to search for a mini cow. This is the animal that I'm choosing to search for. Now, because we are going to be looking for images, when I search, I'm going to click on this images. And now I can see all of these adorable mini cows. Okay, so I'm going to choose this furry, hairy, adorable cow right here. And what you're going to do to save that image is the directions are right over here. You are going to right click on that image. So you're going to use both of your fingers and you're going to touch two fingers onto your trackpad on your computer. Okay, so two fingers and then this screen pops up and you're going to find Save Image As. And you click on that. And then a box is going to come up here, and I'm going to save it as mini cow so that I know what it is. Now you're going to click on this drop down, and you're going to save it to your desktop. And once it is saved to your desktop, then you are going to click Save. Okay. So then when we do the next step tomorrow, we will be able to have our image saved on our desktop so that we will be able to find it there. All right, I can't wait to hear about what animals you chose to search for and save an image for it today.